Welcome to our channel. While Amazon Alexa doesn't have a traditional incognito mode, you can enhance your privacy by managing voice recordings and settings. Here's how to do it. Step 1. Open the Amazon Alexa app on your smartphone or tablet. Make sure you're logged in with your Amazon account. Step 2. Tap on the More tab at the bottom right corner of the screen, then select Settings from the menu. Step 3. Navigate to Alexa Privacy in the Settings menu. This section contains all privacy-related controls for your Alexa devices. Step 4. Select Review Voice History to see and manage all recordings Alexa has made. You can listen to, review, or delete individual recordings. Step 5. To delete voice recordings, tap Delete next to specific recordings, or use Enable Deletion by Voice to say, Alexa, delete what I just said, after any interaction. Step 6. Turn on Manage your Alexa data and select the option to automatically delete recordings. You can choose to delete recordings after 3 months, 18 months, or never. Step 7. Disable personalized features temporarily by going to Alexa account and turning off voice purchasing to prevent shopping through voice commands. Step 8. Use Guest Connect mode when friends visit. Go to Settings, select your Echo device, and enable Guest Connect so visitors can use Alexa without accessing your account. Step 9. Mute the microphone using the physical mute button on your Echo device when you want complete privacy during conversations. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.